This is our Orange Sherbet mango tree. We've got just mangoes loaded all over this thing, and it's flat on the ground down here. It's dropping mangoes, but we got them really thick. And yeah, this thing was way up in the air, and now it's flat down on the ground. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this and reuse something I no longer need right now to prop this up. All right, here we go. Right, it has this nice little cushiony pad up here at the top. So I was going to build something to hold this up, but this is something I don't need right now, and it's convenient. So here we go. All right. Just look at those clusters of mangoes. There's just all kinds of them in here. You can see the size of them from my hand, but they're way back in here too. They're just everywhere. And we also got them up in here. Look at those big, beautiful mangoes. More back in there, more back in there. Tree is just covered with them. And then we're getting a second bloom right now. We're getting another bloom. Take you over to the other side of the tree. And here we are on the other side of the tree, and we're getting a second bloom over here on the back side. Really nice big blossom set out here. I'm really excited about the mangoes this year. Here's some of the mangoes that dropped off of the tree here recently. It's thinning itself out. But these ones are so big, I doubt that they're gonna, many more of these are really gonna fall off because they're so big. I think most of these should all stay.